What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me. I am Miracle, and today we're going to be focusing on makeup for the workplace. So I have a few meetings today, so you will be getting ready with me. Now, because I work in the music industry, a lot of things that may be a big no-no in other industries, I could get away with. But today we're going to focus on makeup that's just right for the workplace, gives you a little extra spice than usual, but not too much, so that your boss is not giving you a side eye. Like, why you come into work today like that? Who do you think you are? What are you, Bozo the Clown? Like, we don't need those problems. Hold on. Because before we even move on any further, you need to go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification so that you're notified of new uploads. PSA! Period. All right, carry on. So I'm gonna be moving pretty fast today. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
It's naturally miracle.
All right, so if I look a little ashy, it's because I've already put a light layer of setting powder over my face. And I've already put the moisturizer on before that. So the face is already prepped, ready to go. Let's get right into it, honey. Get these eyebrows intact. You all have seen me do it plenty of times by now, so I'm just gonna zip right through that. All right, so like I said, you all have seen me do this quite a few times by now. But right now, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pen, and it is in the shade Ebony. Just outlining my eyebrows and just kind of tracing the hairs a little bit to make it look more natural. But yeah, short and sweet. Okay, so now I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I'm using the Brow Bar by Rima, and I'm using the darkest powder shade in the palette. And here I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Gel, just to keep these eyebrows in check, because sometimes they like to be disrespectful throughout the day and moving where they want to go. And this really helps to keep them in place throughout the day. And of course, I had to outline my eyebrows with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. I decided to use this one because it was a lighter shade than my Fenty concealer, and I really wanted my eyebrows to really be shaped up. Not that the Fenty couldn't do that, but I really wanted them to stand out and not look crazy, but really give it that nice and clean look. So I just decided to use that one. All right, so I'm done with the brows and the lids. Now, we're gonna go in with the setting powder, get my sponge, and I'm gonna set this concealer on the lid, on both of my lids. And so for the palette, for the transition shade, I will be using the KB or CAB Cosmetics, I'm not really sure how that's pronounced, the Day and Night palette. And I thought it was pretty cool. I did get it in my BoxyCharm May base box. So for the transition shade, I will be going in with this color here, Burnt Orange. Okay? I don't put too much on the brush, so I'm just gonna dab on both. Then I'm gonna lightly go in with the shade Dawn, right here. And then I'm gonna go into my Pure Festival 2.0 palette just so I can get my nude color, because that palette doesn't really have a nude that's great for me. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Photo Eye. I'm just buffering in the previous color just so that any rough edges will be buffed out. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Of course, you all know I am using House Laboratories eyeliner. This is Lady Gaga's brand. And if you have noticed, I've been doing thicker lines lately. Lately, I've really been feeling the look where I have a thicker line in the lashes. Now, if I don't have lashes, I would not do it. I would stick to the thinner lines that I would usually do. But if I have lashes, I have been doing the thicker line. It just makes everything look so much cleaner. All right, so I already have my lashes drying down with the glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on right now. Not too much with the eyeshadow. You wanna do just enough. You know, you don't wanna go too crazy. Especially if you're in one of those workplaces that are very strict with the dress code and the looks. So. All right, so we have on the lashes. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the foundation. I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. This is becoming my holy grail, y'all. She sticks, she's thick, and she lasts all day. Okay. I only usually have to do one pump, literally maybe like a little bit over a half, because it's so thick and full coverage, you don't really need too much. Make sure y'all get this neck, honey, because she will tell on you if you don't. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 420, and we're gonna have some fun contouring. Really, with this, you don't have to because of this foundation, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway, just to give me a little extra zhuzh. And I have some pimples that I need to cover up. Honey, I have been breaking out like a teenager in puberty, and that is just disrespectful. So we need to contour today. Okay, highlight and the contour. with my shadow brush, I'm just gonna sweep just a little bit of the Dawn shade on my under eye, just to really bring it out, especially if it's a Monday, honey. You need it, okay? It's Monday. Go ahead and stream my single A Good Day, honey. Get your day right, get it going, okay. Actually, no, what I'm actually gonna do is set this that way. No, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm going to contour first and then get to that. So I will be using NaturallyMiracle's Power Bronzer in the shade Deep to contour the rest of my face. Just one a little bit. You don't wanna go too crazy. You know, this is still just a work day. Who you checking for? Unless you got a work husband, that's a whole different ball game. Just going in lightly today. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the setting powder. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Dawn, again from the KB palette, and sweep it under the under eye. All right, this really wakes up the look. And you're not just in the typical board meeting looking like a basic Betty on the side. Sorry, not sorry. And I'm gonna go in with my Sephora eyeliner in the shade Matte Black for my waterline. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in the shade Burnt, even though it's not really burnt, but it's still pretty. And I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Actually, I'm gonna put some up here too, just to give it something, you know? All right, and so this is pretty simple, not too much. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream lip gloss, and it's in the shade Fenty Glow, I believe. Nice little subtle pinky look, you know, not too much. She goes on so pretty. Oh. Go with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray so that she lasts all day. And I'm probably gonna do a little something to my hair. Not too much. I mean, they're Zoom meetings anyway, but still gotta be cute. Okay, so 2 seconds. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Thinking I put my hair in a bun. Give you a little office tease. But yeah, so it's not too much, but it does give you a little something extra to stand out among the rest of the coworkers in the office. I think she looks good. What y'all think? Let's talk about it. Go ahead and drop a comment, like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload new videos, honey, because we're always going to be here giving you creative content. And that's on period. Okay? Hope y'all like it. See y'all next time. And go stream my music if you haven't already. Okay? See y'all later.